Central is a church that actively helps believers discover their gifts and passions and use those as their platform of impact in our community. We do this through life groups, discipleship classes, and services specifically designed for kids, teens, and their parents. We encourage those who call Central their home to love and serve our community through everyday connection or through opportunities we provide here at the church. We also encourage taking the gospel to other nations through world missions. We are Central Assembly. Connect, grow, serve.